Let's quaker oats take an oath in your family. Well, this will be my anthem for now whenever you see me baking with oats. So I made pizza, cornflakes and cocoa powder with quaker oats. I'm sure you don't want to miss these recipes that I'm about to show you. But before then, this challenge is something that I've told my kids about that we are doing, and they were like, "Mom, it's okay, let's do it. We'll win." So let me put you guys through how we achieved all these things with just quaker oats. Oats is something that is being underrated. If you can substitute all-purpose flour for oats, my dear, you are doing your family a great deal. So here is my pizza dough. I'm trying to put everything together, and in there I have oats, quaker oats, milk, sugar, salt, egg, water, and oil. I couldn't get everything on camera while adding it because the video is just too long, and I'm trying to make the video as short as possible. So after putting all these things together, mix everything together to make sure there are no lumps. Okay. I've always told you guys that baking is just like cooking. If you know how to add salt in your food, you know how to add maggi, all those things, that's how you do it. When it comes to baking, I'm just telling you the basic that will help you to put things together. Okay. Okay, our dough is ready. Just set it aside. Then we move over to rolling. Okay, sprinkle some oat flour to your surface. Okay, make sure it doesn't. Why we should do this is just to make sure it doesn't stick to your surface. Here I'm trying to put the pizza together, and I'm applying my pizza sauce. I will still put up the recipe for this pizza sauce. Okay, it doesn't take time. It doesn't take time. If I'm to buy this pizza I made at home outside, I'm sure I will spend like 15k in getting the quality that I prepared. What am I trying to say? Buying all these pastries outside is okay, but is more better if you make them at home. That way you save some money and you know the nutrients you are getting. Okay, with the way I package this pizza, oh boy, if I'm to buy it outside, I'll spend like, let me say 18k or 20k just in buying it. But here I had what I used for this was things that are in my kitchen. Every single thing are what I have at home. Okay, so I'm trying to encourage someone from the even the cheese. I prepared the cheese at home. Have you seen the prices of cheese recently? If you've not seen, go and check. The cheese was made at home. Every single thing. I didn't go extra mile to get anything. Okay, so what am I trying to say? I'm trying to encourage you guys to make things at home. So here I'm adding my carrots. I've added green pepper, my spring onions. Then I'm adding my protein here, and the protein I used is fried chicken. I had to cut them into small pieces, then fry. Okay, one thing about pizza is those tiny details. Do you get? Make sure everything is tiny so that you can easily bite into it. So I'm done with the decoration. I don't know if that's the correct word, but everything is set and it's on fire now. Make sure you do this on a very low heat. On a very low heat. And please avoid opening it the way I used to, because I was always trying to check it. So here the pizza is done. You see how it came out very smooth and easily? It just fell out from the pan. Oh, that was what I was looking for. So here I'm cutting into the pizza. So this is me rolling out the cornflakes dough, and this was from the pizza dough as well. I didn't finish. I didn't use all the dough, so it came to my mind to make cornflakes with it since it's the same recipe. So I rolled it out to be very tiny. Take note, it will be very tiny for you to achieve this. Okay, can you hear the sound? Oh, that sound was just heavenly to me. So it doesn't take time. Highest after 15 minutes is done. Eh? I beg you, try to dey make things at home. Oh. You get why, so that your children will learn too. That it's not all the time you'll be eating outside. Hmm? Moving on to how I made my tea with poker oats. So let me just list the ingredients for this. Then when I get to that section, I will tell you the reason I added poker oats. Now the main ingredients for this is, so the other ingredients are poker oats, sugar, almond, and cashew nut. Why I added those nuts was just to build up the nutritional benefits. Okay, you can skip that, it's totally optional. So after washing it, take it to dry under the sun. Then after drying under the sun, that's when you place it on your stove. So why I added poker oat to this is because those teas that we buy from the market, if you check the content, you always see flour, corn flour. So instead of me using corn flour, I used poker oat. Why you should do that is just to make the tea to be thick when you add hot water to it. Okay, so here I'm done grinding everything together. Make sure you grind it to be very smooth so that you'll be able to sieve out reasonable amount of tea from it. Okay, so that's all for now.
Brother is eating me.
Oh yeah, eat with bread again.
Night. He has not been eating breakfast, but now he's not eating breakfast.
You like it with bread? Yeah?